what I'm doing here. What? How the fuck did I get to this point?
Yo, put this money in front of me, put this money in front of me. Cash flowing everywhere, need to feed the fucking gang. Put this money in front of me, put this money in front of me.
Where's the money?
I ain't fucking with no bullshit, so
Where's the
you
money?
better play no
Tell me
games.
where's the
Put
money?
this money in front of me right now.
Bro, I told you
I'ma
where's the
take your
fucking
fucking
money?
crew right down.
Put
Put this money in front of me right now. I'ma take your fucking crew right down, pussy. Put this money in front of me, put this money in front of me. Cash flowing everywhere, need to feed the fucking gang. Put this money in front of me, put this money in front of me. I ain't fucking with no bullshit, so you better play no games. Put this money in front of me right now. I'ma take your fucking crew right down, pussy. Yeah. I just hit a lick, life for real, grinding every day. Fuck a deal, so wasted now. On the edge, shout out to my home, she just wanna see me flex. So wasted now, trying to make my mama proud. Flipping baggage in the streets, only wanna see a smile. Maybe through a lot of shit.
Hi guys.
Yeah. Hey Travis. Hey, what's up, my boy?
That's the life that we about.
Where's Mike?
He's a bastard, man. He said he's sick or some shit like that. He didn't come.
Fuck.
Travis, did you count it?
Yeah. 60,000.
Oh shit, man!
60,000.
Fucking shows all this
With a
money,
piece of the
man.
cake, I will be able to start a new life with
Every
Selena.
night with
I
Kamana.
will from this city. And Mama won't have to work with all these assholes.
Man, are you still here with us? Yeah.
I got some news that will excite your asses even more.
So, tell us.
I intercepted a call of the member who was talking to that guy. Who is the name? Spike. For a exchange at the garage. 13th of this month.
exchange. Which type of exchange?
They was talking about rodeo. Rodeo. Yeah.
Man, do you know who is this? This fucking motherfucker is a fucking leader of most of the Ruby days in the fucking city, man. Hey. Hey. Oh, whoa. Why you smoke before coming here?
Sorry, bro. I didn't sleep well last night.
No problem, bro. No problem. In 2 days, will be hard. That's road there. And we will take an interception. That's road there. will be ours.
Arrive about 9, 10 o'clock at night and well, good pub and the best 10, 15 girls. Have you been there? I don't know, but nice girls, beautiful.
You won yourself this tip this time.
A tip?
Travis,
So, this is how you spend your fucking tips?
you don't know what you're fucking saying, Travis.
You have your job, right? Take this money. You won't have to work on your perfect job in a month.
I don't want your dirty money. You can keep it all, asshole.
Run, run, run. They saw us, dirty as money.
Travis,
Who the fuck are you?
don't even ask nothing. I'm Spike, and you have something that is mine. I don't like to think that it's in other people's hands.
What? Are you talking about the rodeo? If you want it, I want you to clean my ass up and erase all my criminal background. And money. A ton of money. I want $500,000. All in 100 bills. I want to leave this fucking city. And one more thing. I want to all these Mendoza's motherfuckers to stay away from my mama. I want her to quit that fucking job.
Wednesday, 29th, 8 p.m. City Village parking.
What's wrong, baby?
Last week we intercepted the package with the boys, and Spike called me a few days ago.
Spike, a package. I don't like what I'm hearing. Travis.
Let me finish, okay? I will meet him tomorrow. We made a deal. I will give him the package, and he will set me free. With no criminal background, they will protect my mama, and the best of all, we will finally be able to leave the city and all this bullshit together.
Well, I'm speechless.
Have you brought it?
Yeah, here you have it.
What? How the fuck did I get to this point?
Wake up. Wake up. Wake up! What the fuck am I? Shut up. Did you see inside of the rodeo? Answer, motherfucker! Did you see inside? Don't ever blink.
Ziploc full of medicine. Only thing I'm chasing is that dope grin. If you open up the bag, kid, that rodeo gon' get you killed. Ziploc full of medicine. Only thing I'm chasing is that dope grin. If you open up the bag, kid, that rodeo gon' get you killed.